Why is there always a black cat in every class photo from the high school? It's in every single photo. Since forever. It looks just like the cat that's always hanging around the school.
Some people even think it's the same cat every time. Crazy, right?
Yeah, that would mean this cat is over 70 years old.
I know it doesn't make sense, but that cat's always given me a weird feeling. Leave it alone. It's better if we don't mess with it.
It doesn't seem like a bad cat.
Looks like it doesn't like you very much. Please don't touch it. It could hurt you. Clearly, it doesn't like you.
I'll make it like me. It needs to recognize me as the one in charge. It's nibbling on me. I don't think it has the guts to bite any harder. Come on, buddy. Be my friend. Don't bite me. Ah! Ouch! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh, that little fucker wrecked me. Huh?
Get out!
That damn cat really hurt me.
Yeah! 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 You two seriously don't know how to behave. I told you not to touch it. And what do? Ah!
Sorry.
Would you like
No.
being touched like that?
He started it. I was so sweet to him.
Don't
He's just
come
a
at me
grumpy
with
little
dumb
cat.
excuses. I told you not to touch him, and you did it anyway.
Still, I wonder why he was so aggressive with me.
Let me take care of your wound. This way it'll heal better.
Thank you so much for taking care of me. I really needed it. Incredibly, it doesn't hurt anymore.
Ah. It's still too soon for you to take it off.
There's no wound. Ah, my head, it really hurts. Something's happening to me. I don't feel right. My body feels...
Huh? What if that cat gave you some kind of disease?
starting to feel like a cat. Meow.
I think that bite messed with your head. Huh? Your clothes, did they just change?
My clothes, they look like the old school uniforms from back in the day. Huh? What's that? Are those cat ears?
Let me see. Huh? Those are cat ears.
My body's turning feminine? I can't believe this. My pants just turned into a skirt. At the same time, my hips got way wider. I'm turning into a catgirl.
Wow, you are turning into a cat girl. You've even got a tail now. And I don't think you're a boy anymore. You don't look okay. Huh? You're starting to act more and more like a cat. Meow. Maybe that cat did have something. What if what's happening to you is the school cat's curse? My voice.
I'm a woman. It didn't just turn me into a cat. I'm a girl now, too.
Yeah, even your voice. It's true, you're totally a girl now. Totally.
I feel this urge to follow someone. You...
But...
All right, then. I'm hungry.
What does that have to do with anything?
I'm hungry. Can you feed me, please? You're the one taking care of me.
You really see me as your owner?
No.
I don't know if I'm ready
Ask
for
my
this.
maid. If you want to see more of this video, give it a like and share it. The spicy version will be waiting for you on my Patreon. Don't keep me waiting.